Hey, what's going on, guys? UDRC here, back with a vid. I'm going to attempt to install the Perfect Pass by Raz Shifrin and his partner. You can go on islandhobbynut.com to where you can purchase this. This is a sticker you get with the purchase of the product. It's pretty cool. They run about $49.95 plus your tax and your shipping or whatever, based on where you live. Shipping was really quick. Bought it on a Friday evening, got it pretty much Monday morning, which is pretty good. It says I've never installed it. I'm gonna try it out on video, show you guys, basically how to install it. Hopefully I do a good job. So Perfect Pass, what does it do? It has a little booklet, a little informational little booklet thing here on the back as to what it does. It has speed runners or drag racers. Perfect Pass allows users to adjust how smoothly and controllable your car accelerates by controlling how quickly the throttle signals. The ESC increases even if the driver pulls the trigger abruptly. That's, reading basic verbatim off of here, which is pretty cool. It kind of breaks down what do you want, what it does for you in each section as far as speed runners, and then, drag racers. It tells you, so you know what you want to put it on there for. Anyways, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the receiver box, and again, try to install this thing. I've never installed it. It's the first time even dealing with stuff like this, so I will try my best. Plus, Raz Shifrin video does a good job explaining everything to you, and I believe he did say it works with all radios. Fancy ones and regular ones. I have a regular a DX2 Spectrum radio that I have on this. That will be changed out pretty soon here, but that's what I have on it as of right now. So I'll be doing my my procedure with this radio. This is what I use with my Limitless. I will be switching over to Fataba radios. I actually like Fatabas. It's just that I have so many cars, I gotta buy a ton of receivers, so I'm just trying to, figure it out. But again, no big rush. Winter time's here, so not a whole lot of RC and at least outdoor gonna be happening. But anyways, all right, open up the receiver box, guys, and try to get this thing installed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna install it on the outside or the inside of it, but I'll figure that out later on. But I just kind of want to get it installed and just kind of see it going. I haven't done a real official speed pass on this car as of yet, so I would have liked to do it before and after, but doesn't matter. It's all good. So, all right, so you have the Perfect Pass here. I'm going to open it up. Oh, they didn't cut it. It has a nice Ziploc. Cool. That's pretty cool, guys. It's actually Ziploc, so you don't have to cut the bag. Pretty nice. All right, so this is it. Pretty lightweight, looks pretty simple to install. So I guess it'll go on the channel 2, which is your throttle, or the ESC. Channel 1 is for steering. Channel 2 will be your ESC or throttle, how you want to put it. All right, so looking in here. All right, steering, throttle. All right, so it's pretty compact, so I'll probably grab me a needle nose real quick. Let's see. I don't want to pull on the wires to get it out. All right, hold on, guys. Hold on real quick for me. All right. Alrighty. Be real gentle. I don't want to mess anything up. Alright, so I got it out. Alright, so you basically can't mess it up, really. Alright, so you have goes on one side. Alright, and then the other one just goes in here. Plug that back up, and then we should be ready to go. Just like that, guys. again, this is my first time, so we'll see how she go. Now, I believe all the way turn the little knob here. You can see it right there. All the way to the left. That will be pretty much all the way off. So I'm gonna go nice and gentle. All right. Not much of a turn. All right, so now you have to, as far as I understand, you gotta recalibrate your ESC. All right, so let me go ahead and plug it up. Now, real quick with my build, I do run RIPPLEKILLER cap pack. Shout out to Philip Jolly. Got this a while ago from him. RIPPLEKILLER cap pack. I have these batteries in there, 2 3S's and 6S. I have the Mama Monster X8S ESC in here. I have the 2200 kV Calibration sensor, and it is on the sensor. Has a little Castle fan on it. Savox 1258 TG servo, BSR pink foams, a spool, the stock spool that comes with it, and I have right now, I believe it's a 27 tooth pinion in it right now. I will be gearing it up, but that's just my initial build. Try to get my first run on it just to see how she go and then go from there. I did shave the wing down in the back. You see here, I shaved it down flat. All right, and I took off the canards out the front. There's no canards in the front, and I lowered the front a little bit. Other than that, that's it. I haven't done anything else to this vehicle. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to calibrate my ESC. I believe you just turn your radio on, you do your castle system full throttle, and then you turn the switch on. Reverse, and then you go neutral. And we're all done. So also, I meant to mention, make sure all of your trims are all zeroed out, or at least the throttle anyways. All right, so we have steering, and we have, I don't do reverse, so it's just steering to brake. So it definitely has power, but there's no delay on that. Okay, there's no delay. So to adjust that, you have to now start turning to the middle. Turning this, So what you do is you have to power the car off, the batteries and everything. Make sure there's no power to this, the perfect pass. The way it can basically get a fresh signal, or So unplug my batteries just to make sure nothing in there. Turn the power on. Make sure it completely drains. All right. Oh, there you go. Now I'm going to turn. Sorry guys. All right. Now I'm going to turn it to the right. Okay. Clockwise. All right. So I'm gonna give it a couple clicks. All right. Let's try that. See what the delay and stuff, how that affects the throttle. All right. Now let's turn it back on, guys. All right. The car's back on. All right. Steering. That's pretty wild. It's kind of weird, yo. I mean, let me say it again. Wow. Pretty wild, man. Let me try another setting. Yeah, so it's I don't know how to explain it, man. So your natural reaction is you feel the correlation between the input and the car moving in the sound. So you can pull, and it kind of has a delay, and it's like, okay, you want to kind of jerk it, but it starts to build. Yeah, it's pretty wild, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's something to get used to. So my first pass will definitely be interesting. So let me try another setting. This connects pretty strong. All right, turn it up a little bit more, guys. Let me do it all the way. So now it's on max. Let me just see what that is like. It is on max right now, guys. All right. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys. So on max, I mean, it's such a delay. That's crazy because normally you do like that. See, there's nothing. You do like that. I don't want to do it too much, but yeah. So basically, it definitely works as far as, you know, it comes on nice and smooth. I don't want to run it all the way out on the table, but definitely when I get out there on the field, definitely gonna try it out and give it a go. So I'm gonna leave it on max for now. I'm gonna leave it on max, and I'm gonna, you know, start downloading back and just see the difference. But yeah, man, that's pretty much how you install it. Again, hope I did a good job installing the system on my car. Again, if you have any questions, like I said, I'm new at installing this thing. Definitely go check out Raz Shifrin's video if you have any other questions. He kind of goes over a lot of different things as far as setting it up for drag and all kinds of different stuff. Like I said, I'm using a regular radio right now. No fancy digital stuff, but yeah, it's a pretty cool feature, man. I definitely see a difference just here on the table. I definitely want to get out there and do a pass with it, just to see what it feels like, and, you know, go from there. But again, man, thanks for watching my quick little video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.